Got to tell you earlier.
Not good. Okay. I think that's all for today.
That's all for today?
Oh yeah, the ones I'm gonna send you.
Oh, okay.
1 second.
All right.
Oh wait, I already said that one. Okay. Okay, I just sent them.
All right. Oh, here we go. Okay, I got it. All right. All right, let's take a look at this one. Download it. Can I rotate it? Oh, that was the one we already did. Okay.
Oh yeah, I'm sorry, I accidentally said that one too.
Okay, this one. Okay, let me share this. Share screen. This one. This one, right?
Yes.
Okay, which one? 8,
Yes, number 8.
7, 8? Okay. A cylinder-shaped kid's pool has a diameter of 12 feet and a height of 2 feet. Each cubic foot holds 7.48 gallons of water. About how many gallons of water can the kid's pool hold? All right, let's take a look. All right, let's read that again. Let me read that again. A cylinder-shaped kid's pool has a diameter of 12 feet. Okay, so here's your cylinder. There's your pool, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so they're saying a diameter of 12 feet. So from here to here is 12 feet.
And the radius would be 6, right?
Yes, exactly. Yep. Diameter of 12 feet, radius of 6. So D equals 12 feet.
Mm-hmm.
All right. And a height of 2 feet. So diameter is 12 and the height is 2. H equals 2 feet. Okay.
Okay.
If each cubic foot holds 7.48 gallons of water. So they're saying 1 cubic foot. All right, let me write it like this. They're saying 1 foot cubed is 7.48 gallons of water. 7.48 gallons, right?
Mm-hmm.
GAL. Okay. If each cubic foot holds 7.48 gallons of water, about how many gallons of water can the kids' pool hold? Okay, so what we're going to do is find the volume first and then multiply it by the 7.48. Is that what you did?
Yes.
Okay,
Well,
how did you get how did you get this number right here? 20.
I jotted down somebody else's notes, but I think I know how to solve it.
Okay, how do you solve it? Volume
Um,
equals what?
volume, base times height.
We're talking what's the volume of a cube formula? It's 3 dimensions, right? So it's got to be 3D, not 2D. Volume of cylinder formula. It's pi r squared. Pi r squared h. Okay. So we're just going to leave pi as pi. What's the radius?
6.
So 6 squared, and then the height is 2, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so 6 times 6 is?
36.
Times 2 is?
Let's see.
72 pi, right?
2. Oh, yeah.
And now tell me what 72 times 3.14 is.
Mm. Um,
Are you still in it?
yeah.
I don't see him.
226.08. Yeah, it's 226.08.
Okay.
Okay, so that's the volume, right? Feet cubed, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so what are we going to do with this now?
We're gonna multiply it.
By what?
226.8 times 7 and 48 gallons.
Yes, exactly. So 226.08 times 7.48. Do that for me on your calculator or your phone.
Okay.
Yeah, 161,691 gallons. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
there you go.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. That one actually made sense. Like,
Just that one, just find the volume and then multiply that number by the 7.48.
okay. Next was either 6 or 7
Which one? 6?
for, I think that's Pythagorean theorem. Yeah.
Right. All right, let's see. 6. Okay, the next picture I have is 5. You want to do 5?
Oh, yeah, sure. Let me go to one.
All right, 5. Can we download 5? Okay, there it is. All right, let me share this one. All right, can you see 5?
Yes.
All right, can I make it bigger? Okay. The below graph shows the design for the front view of a doghouse that Jeremy plans to build. If each square on the graph represents 1 foot, find the perimeter of the design. How do we find perimeter again?
By adding up all sides.
Yes, exactly.
Yes.
What's the bottom length? How many feet? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, right?
8. Yeah.
How much from here to here?
6.
2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh.
How much? Okay, so now this side has to be 5 too, right?
5. Yeah.
Okay, so now the question is, how much is this? How much is this?
8.
Well, it's a diagonal length, so you can't assume that this will be 1 and this will be 1. That doesn't mean that this is 1 because of
Oh.
Pythagorean. So let me draw it like
Yeah.
this. So we know this is 1. We know this is 1, but this has to be bigger than 1. That's 1. That's 1. The question is, what is this? Then we're going to add up 1, 2. Wait a second. No, let's do the whole thing in one shot. Let's do the whole thing in one shot. So let's do it like this. What's this distance right here?
4.
1, 2, 3, 4. Good. What's this distance? 1, 2, 3. Okay, so we're gonna draw a triangle like this. This is 4. This is 3. So how much is this? Now we use Pythagorean theorem.
4 squared plus 3 squared.
Yeah, take the root of that. Yep. 4 squared plus 3 squared, take the root of that is what? 16 plus 9. What's root of 16 plus 9? Root of 25, right? So what's the root of 25?
5.
There you go. So
Wait.
that's 5. Yeah, that's right. Yeah.
16 plus 9. Oh, that's how you got that. Okay.
Yep.
25.
And then same thing. So this is 5 right here, right?
Mhm.
And then this is the same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is 5 also.
Yeah.
So now what's your perimeter?
We add them up, so
E equals, say,
28.
8 plus 5 plus 5
5,
plus 5
5.
plus 5, 28, right?
Yeah.
What's the unit?
Feet.
There you go. 28.
28 feet.
There you go.
Okay, yeah. That makes sense.
Is it one of the answers?
Mhm.
Uh,
D is 28 feet.
yeah, D, yeah. There you go. Good on that one?
Yeah, that just made more sense than, actually explained it.
Yeah, you just got to like draw a diagram of that triangle, those two triangles,
Mhm.
and then solve those two triangles. They're identical, right? So just solve
Yeah.
one, and then you know the other one,
Just add them all up.
and then add up all the lengths. Yep. All right, so that one be
Okay.
good.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
All right, 5 after 5. You're okay. So let's see what we got. Okay, we did 8. We did 5. Next one is this purple. Let's see what the purple is. All right, let's download this and let's share this. All right, let me share this one. This one right here. All right, which one are we doing on this page?
Number 6. Oh, no, that would be number 7.
7. Okay, let's see what's going on with 7. The model below is used to show the relationship between the side lengths of a right triangle, which describes the square that could be connected to side B of the triangle to correctly complete the model. Okay, model below is used to show the relationship between the side lengths of a right triangle. Okay, so let's see what we got here. Okay, so this is A, right? This is A right here.
Mhm.
This is A also right here. Can we solve this? If we just look at this square, can we solve for A?
No. Wait. Well, you have the area inside, so maybe
Exactly.
yeah.
Okay, so we know that A squared would equal 441, right?
Mhm.
Length times width, both are A. So what's the root of? So then A would be the root of 441. What's the root of 441?
12. I don't have my calculator.
Like 20, 21 or something like that.
Mm.
Yeah, 21, exactly.
Okay.
So do you know how I got that? You see how I got that, right? Length times width has to equal your area.
Mhm.
A times A is just A squared equals 441. So just take the root of 441, 21. Okay, so we know that triangle, or we know that square. Can we do the same thing for C?
Yeah.
Okay, so C times C is just C squared. C squared equals 841. So if
Mhm.
C squared equals 841, what is C? Root of 841,
Root.
which is what? What's root of 841?
I'm guessing around like 40 something.
29.
Oh,
So C
so it's
equals
way off.
So 29 times 29 is 841. Okay, so we know A and we know C, right?
Mhm.
Okay, so what's this what's this distance right here?
The base. I
Which
mean,
is what?
the width.
What's the base?
Like the formula.
see the triangle that I just drew?
Yeah.
What's the base length
That's-
here? What letter is this right here?
Uh,
A, right? This is the same length as down here.
oh,
This and this is the same thing.
oh, okay.
So the base there is what? 21. So if this is
Yeah.
21 right here, and do we know this distance right here?
No.
Yeah,
Wait, yeah, because you saw C, so that's 29.
Okay, so if that's 29, can we figure out what the vertical distance is?
Yes.
How do we do that?
29 squared plus 21 squared.
Well, remember they gave you the hypotenuse. The hypotenuse is the 29. So subtract.
Oh,
So let this be x. So what's x? X equals what? 29 squared what? Minus the other leg,
minus
21 squared.
21 squared.
Root of
Oh,
that. Root of that.
okay.
29 squared we know is 841. 21 squared we know is 441. What's the difference there?
400.
Okay, so what's root 400?
20.
There you go. 20. X equals 20. Yeah, right here. Square with side lengths of 20. D.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Yep. Just use your algebra. Not your algebra, your geometry. You know this distance. Let me change my color to red or orange. You know this distance. You know this distance. The difference of those two squared would be the vertical distance.
Right.
That's what we did. We calculated the 21 on the bottom here. Calculated the 29, which is the hypotenuse, which is O. The hypotenuse is always the longest side of a right triangle. So to find the vertical distance would just be the difference of those two squares. 29 squared, 841. 21 squared, 441. Take the difference, 400. Take the root, 20.
Okay, yeah. Thank
Makes
you.
sense?
That makes sense. Yeah.
All right, cool. All right, that was what, 7? 8, you want to do 8?
Where's 8? Yeah.
So take a picture of 7 or write that down.
I
Oh yeah, you got it right there. Whoever wrote this is, yeah, you got it right there. Whoever wrote that.
I just didn't really understand the word. That's why I just jotted it down. Make sure. Number 8. Actually, I think we'll go on number 8. That makes sense.
You're good on 8?
Deep is there for right angles. Actually, maybe not.
Okay, you want to do 8?
Yeah.
All right. Can I erase 7?
Yeah, I'm good. I took a screenshot.
All right, cool. Clear 7. Clear all drawings. Okay, 8. Neil wants to join 3 pieces of metal to form a right triangle. Which of the following lengths could he use? 7.5, 10, 20, and 12.5. 4, 4, 8, 9, 11, 23, 6, 12 and a half, 96. Okay, how do you know it's G?
I'm not sure actually. Yes.
Okay, so there's our right triangle, right?
Mm-hmm.
There's our right angle. What do you notice? What do you know about this length? It has to be what?
That's the hypotenuse.
What do you know about the hypotenuse? It has to be
equal to the other two sides.
It's equal to the sum of the square of the other two sides. But in terms of length, is it the biggest? Is it the smallest? Is it in the middle?
Oh yeah, it's the longest.
It's the longest. So the hypotenuse always has to be the longest side. Okay. So does 4 squared plus 4 squared, the root of that, is that 8?
No.
So we're going to ask, is 4 squared plus 4 squared, is the root of that equal to 8?
It equals 4.
Question mark.
Because 16 plus 16 squared is 4. So.
Well, it's actually 32, right?
Yeah.
Does that equal 64? Question mark.
6.
So it's not that one. Same idea on this one. Does 12.5 squared equal 7.5 squared plus 10 squared, the root of that? What's 7.5 squared?
mm,
56.25 plus 100
25. Yeah.
is the root of that 12.5. $156.25 is 12.5 times 12.5, 156.5. Yes, it is. So 12.5 squared equals root of 156.25. This one checks out.
Okay.
Let's check this one though. Let's just for the practice. 23 squared. Does that equal 9 squared plus 11 squared? This will be 81.
Mm-hmm.
This will be 121.
Mm-hmm.
81 plus 121 is 202. This is root 202. That does not equal 23 squared. So it's not that one. 23 squared is the same thing as 529. Same thing on J. Does 96 squared, is that the same thing as 6 squared plus 12.5 squared? Question mark. This is the same thing as 36 plus 12.5 squared is what? 156.25 plus 36 is 192. Root of 192.25, which does not equal 96 squared. So it's got to be G,
Okay.
because the Pythagorean theorem checks out. The other three does not check out.
Okay, that makes sense now.
All right, so take a picture of 8. So see my diagram right there, longest, then this side is called a leg, and then this side is also called a leg. So when you square the two legs and you add those, take the root of that, that has to be the hypotenuse squared.
Okay. Good. Does that only work for that triangle or every triangle?
Only right triangles.
Okay.
Only right triangles. You
You
can only apply the Pythagorean theorem to right triangles.
Okay, I got it.
Yeah, that was 8. You got more. Yeah, take a picture of that. You got more after 8.
Yeah, I think I had 1 or 2. Let me check.
All right, can I clear this or are you still copying it down?
No, I got a screenshot. Clear.
Okay, let me clear it then. Okay, so let me X that. Let me check my email. Okay, so 6. I see 6 and 3. Okay, 6. Let's try 6. All right, download that. All right, so this is the triangular pyramid, number 6.
Mm-hmm.
All right, let me share my screen here. Okay, can you see it now?
Yes.
Okay, so it says the base of the square pyramid shown has an area of 576 square units. If the slant height of the pyramid is 20 units, what is the height of the pyramid? If the slant height, okay, so if the slant height, the base, okay, so the base, yeah, this base right here is 576 units squared. The base of the square pyramid. Okay, so if the base is 576 squared, what's the length and width? It's a square, right? So the area of is 576. So what's the root of 576?
24.
24 times 24 is 576.
Yes.
24 times 24. Okay, so this length is 24 and this length is 24. Okay, you got that. Okay. All right, so now if the slant height, that means that this distance right here is 20 and this distance right here is 20. That's the slant height. If the slant height of the pyramid is 20 units, what is the height of the pyramid? They want to know the vertical. Oh, my bad. No. The slant height is this one here on the right. Let me do it in, say, blue. The slant height is this one right here. That's 20. But the question is, what's this height?
Mm.
All right, so let's try that one. Okay, so the base of a square pyramid shown has an area of that. If the slant height of the pyramid is 20 units, what is the height of the pyramid? Okay, give me the volume of a pyramid formula. Volume of pyramid formula. Okay, so volume of a pyramid, right rectangular pyramid. Let's see here. Volume of a pyramid formula.
Is it 1/3?
Yeah, something like that. Yep.
Yeah.
Okay, so the volume of a pyramid is, what is it?
1/3 base times height.
1/3 um 1/3 base times height. It has to be three-dimensional. 1/3 length, width times height. Now we're just going to plug everything in. 1/3 times length times width times height. 1/3 is just 1/3. What's the length? 24. What's the width?
24.
Yeah, what's the width?
12.
No, 24.
24.
And what's the height? The height is 20. Multiply those three numbers together and then multiply by 1/3. 24 times 24 is 576 times 20 is that's not right.
Plug in this.
That's not right. Length is 24, width is 24, height is 20, 1/3 of that. But that's not 16. 16, 13, 18, 31.
It's because to find the other like half of the height, and then I split it in half. So 24 divided by 2 is 12. And
What
then that's
are you dividing by 2?
I divided the width, I think. I divided 24, which is
Why did you divide that by 2 though?
because it's actually in the height for the pyramid. It says, and we know that 20 units is a slant height. So
my bad. They're asking for the height, not the volume. My bad. Okay, yes. All right, let's do that again. Okay, so do we know the volume of the whole thing? No. Okay, so, sorry,
no.
say what you're saying a minute ago.
Okay, so since we're finding the height and they gave us a slant height, which is 20, then I divided 20. I divided the base, the root of the base, 24, in half, which is 12.
Uh-huh.
And then I took 20 squared, which is the height, minus 12 squared, and got the base squared.
Which is this, what you're saying? This?
Yeah.
Okay, that's 400 minus 144,
Here.
which is what? 196, I think.
Yeah.
No, 400 minus 144 is 256. 16 times 16 is 96. No, 16 times 16 is 256. Okay, yes. This is 256. But then you have to take the root of that. And that's 16. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, that's right.
Okay.
Yeah, what you had here was right.
Like I was just like I knew how to kind of do the problem. It's just that the height part confused me.
So this one is the slant height. Take the slant height. That's the slant height. This one is the slant height. Slant height. And then what you did with the 12 was take the base or the width, and divide that by 2, which is this number. Take the difference of those two. Slant height minus the base or width divided by 2 would equal this should be h, actually. H.
Oh yeah.
H squared. Yep, that's right. That
I'll
was
take a
good.
screenshot.
Yeah,
Okay.
hold on, don't let me erase this first, Ian. Let me erase
Oh.
Okay, take a screenshot of that.
Okay.
Slant height minus base or width height divided by 2 equals height squared.
Slant height base by 2. Oh yeah. Slanted 2. Okay.
All right, that one's good. 6. That was 6. Let's see what else you got. After 6, I see, what is it? 3. Let me download this one. All right, 3. All right, let me share this screen. Which one is that? I think I shared the wrong one. Yeah, this one. Okay, can you see 3?
Yes.
Okay, Titus is building a triangular frame with 3 pieces of wood that measure 3, 5, and 10. Which of the following is true about the frame? All right, let's see. Let's draw a little picture. Okay, so there's our triangle.
Oh wait, no, it was 4. I'm sorry.
Okay, 4. Okay, 4.
I'm sorry. It's kind of me off guard. I'm like, wait, I think I know this one. I don't know why I
Okay,
took a picture.
4. Let's see, 4. The side view of a wall shelf in Luke's office is shown below. The diagonal support piece is 17 centimeters. The piece against the wall is 8 centimeters. What is the approximate measure of W? Total width. Okay. Okay, so they're saying this is 7 right here. This is 17 right here. This is 8 right here. How can we find this right here? How can we find from here to here?
Wait, let me go check for you.
How can we find from here to here? How can we find this length?
By taking 17 squared plus 8 squared.
Plus 8 or minus 8?
I mean, yeah, minus.
Minus 8 squared. Okay, equals, let's just call this x, right? For the time being, equals x.
Oh, because we already have the hypotenuse.
Exactly.
Minus
17.
the other side.
Exactly. There you go. 17 is already the hypotenuse.
Yeah.
So what's
Okay.
17 squared? 17 times 17 is what?
256, I think.
289.
289.
289 minus 64. Root of that. I should say root of that, right? Root of that What's 289 minus 64? 225. So root of 225 is x squared. Therefore, x is what? Equals, I think, 15. 15 times 15. Yes, 15.
Yeah.
X is 15, right?
Mhm.
Okay, so if this is 15 and this is 7, what's W?
That's 15.
22.
22.
H. They're asking for W, right? But remember, W is this part plus this part, 15 plus 7.
Okay. Let me go to that page.
So yeah, take a picture of that one. 22, 15 plus 7.
Okay.
That was 4. Good. Are you good with 4?
Kind of. But why do we add them?
Because the question is what's this whole distance? That's what they're asking. They're asking the whole distance here.
Mm-hmm.
We already know that this to that is 7.
Oh, and
So
then
we
we got
calculated this to
15.
this is 15. So 15 plus 7, 22.
Okay.
This is 7 right here.
Okay, that makes
Got it?
sense.
Make sense?
Yep.
All right. All right. You good on 4?
Yes, sir. Is that it, or is there another question?
Let me check. Let me check the email. Email. It looks like there's 2 more, 3 more, 4 more. Okay, which one are you trying? Which one you want to do next? I see. I see 3 and 4. We just did 4. Which one is this? This one is. Let me share this one. Let's see here. Can you see the screen?
Yes,
Let me
but it's still on 4.
hold on. Let me see. Let me rotate this. Okay, is this 2? This one you want to do 2?
Number 2. Yeah.
Use the diagram
Yeah.
below to find the approximate length of diagonal AD. That's just the hypotenuse.
Oh, so you add
10,
all the sides.
10, let's see. The height is 10, 12. Let's see here. Okay, so let's just draw the triangle. There's your triangle. This distance looks like it's 10. This looks like it's 12. The question is, what's x?
Uh, so 12 squared
144 plus 100. What is that?
100.
Root of 244?
244.
What's root of 244? 21.2 looks like.
Yeah.
21.2 times 21.2 is, no, 449. No, that's not, doesn't make sense. No. Try 11.2. 11.2 times 11.2 is 125. 18 times 18, 324. Use the diagram below to find the approximate length of diagonal AD. Oh, okay. So it's okay. So I missed this 9 feet here.
Oh. Wait. Your screen is still showing number 4, but like it still shows your drawings. It's just your background.
Okay. All right. Let me share this one. I need to share this one right here.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, good. All right. Okay, so here's the triangle.
Mm-hmm.
There, this is 10 here, this is 12 here, and the depth is 9. Okay, so what we're going to do is find x right here, which is x squared equals 12 squared plus 10 squared, which is 244, root of 244. So x squared equals that. So that means that x equals what? What's root of 244?
I think 11 point something.
Um,
Uh,
you have a root. You have
that's
a root button on your calculator.
15.62.
15.62 times 15.62. Yes. Okay. So this is about 15.62, and then multiply that by 9 and see what you get. No, that doesn't make sense.
My teacher, she multiplied all the sides. No, she added all the sides together and she square rooted.
She added which sides together and square rooted
Oh,
it.
okay. So she squared each, like she squared 12, and 9 and 10, and then she added them all together, and then she took the root of that number.
Okay. 12 squared plus 9 squared plus 10 squared. What is that?
325.
Uh,
Because 144
plus
plus
81 plus 100,
80,
right?
yeah,
What number is it?
325.
So take the square root of root 325. What is that?
18.
18. Okay, so
But
18 times 18, 324, 18 point. Yeah, approximately. Yeah, approximately. Yeah, exactly. Approximately.
okay, but like
Approximately 18 feet.
the problem is she said that it might not work like every single time, but it just work for this problem.
If you get a question like a 3D question like that, just do it the way she taught you.
Okay.
I actually never seen a question like that one before.
Like I don't know how that works.
All right.
Yeah.
Yeah, don't take a screenshot of it. Let me erase this. All right, so that's 2. You good on 2?
Yes.
All right,
Yes,
let me
sir.
I'm sharing number 2. All right, let me pull up the next one. That one. Okay, I see 6, 7, 6 and 7. Okay, let's do 2 more and we'll call it a night.
Mhm.
All right, 6. Let me share this one. Okay, 6. Can you? Oh no, you can't see it yet. Share 6. Okay. Lines C and D below are cut by transversal T. Which of the following is true about the angles formed? 1 equals 6, 2 equals 8, 4 equals 7, 3 equals 2. Okay, so let's do it like this. Okay, so we know 1 and 3 are going to equal to each other, and we know that 5 and 7. So those 4 are all the same. Those
Okay.
4 are all the same. Okay, and then same thing in the other direction. That one, that one, that one, and that one are all going to be the same. So 2 equals 8. Yes, exactly. This one's good.
Okay.
G's good. All right, 6 is good. Now 8 was 8. Was 8 the last one?
Wait,
right.
I think.
Let me check the email. Six, we just did 8. You want to do 8 and 7? 8 and 7.
Yeah.
Do 8 and 7. 2 more. Download that. That. 8. What is the measure? Okay, actually, let me share a screen first. Share. Share. Okay, you can see 8, right?
Yeah.
Okay, what is the measure of angle A, the exterior angle of a triangle? Do they have a diagram or no? No diagram.
No.
Okay, what is the measure of angle A, the exterior of an angle? Measure of angle A equals 92 because 180 minus 50 plus 38 is 92. There's no diagram in your notes, right? On the sheet anywhere?
Let me go through that problem just a double check. But
There has to be a diagram on this one.
class number 8. Oh, yes, there is. I'm sorry. I wasn't on the page. Let me take a picture.
Can you take the picture with the diagram and the question in the same picture?
Mhm.
All right, let's come back to 8. Let's do 7 for the in the time being. Let me pull up 7. We'll do 8 last.
Okay.
7. Okay, can you see 7? No, you can't see 7. How can I share this? Oh yeah, can you see 7?
No, not on the screen.
No. Can you see it now?
Okay, yeah, now I can see it.
Okay. Use the triangles below to find the missing length of segment TU. Okay, this one you just set up the proportions, the ratios. Okay,
So TU.
okay, so they want TU, right? So
Mhm.
you're gonna do like big triangle on top, small triangle on the bottom. Or you could
So
you could flip it, it doesn't matter as long as you stay consistent. So you've got 30 over 40, the whole thing that's big. This is big. Okay, so wait a second here. Wait a second. All right, let's just do it like this. We're gonna say big triangle is 30, small triangle is 12, and then big triangle is 40. So 30 over 12 equals 40 over TU x. 40 over x. Okay, so big triangle is 30. There's your 30. 12 plus 18 is 30.
Mhm.
That's the big one. Over the small one, 12, which is this one. There's your 12. And same thing. Big triangle is 40, the base here, over the small one here, which is x. Now just cross multiply there. Actually, let's reduce this first. This will be 10 over 4 equals 40 over x. Now just cross multiply there. 10x equals what? 160 x equals 16.
Wait, I'm confused. What? Um,
Do you
how do
get
we go
you,
from?
you get the did you get this line right here? Big triangle
Yeah.
over small triangle.
So you take 18, 12, got 30 for the big, for the side for the big triangle, and the
Over.
base is 40. So
Okay, wait. Okay, before 30 is the 18 and the 12. That's this
Mhm.
distance over
Right.
this distance, which is 12.
Yeah.
Now that's the left side of the now you're going base, which is 40, the big one,
Oh,
over this is what you're trying to find
okay.
over x. Now you just cross multiply. I just reduced the 30 over 12 to 10 over 4.
Oh.
Divide by 3, divide by 3. Same
Mhm.
it'll work out to be the same thing. 16. That'll be 16.
And then did you multiply 440?
Yes, that's
Oh,
160.
you got 160.
Yeah, exactly.
And then, okay, 16. Okay, that
Divide
makes
both
sense.
sides by 10. Yep, divide both sides by 10. 16.
Screenshot.
Yes, take a screenshot of that.
Yeah. Okay.
That's 7, and the last one is 8, right? You send it to me?
Yeah.
All right.
And I think for this one, you just add it up, but like, oh, why do you add it up to an outside?
All right, let's see. All right, let me share this screen. Yeah, okay, yeah, there's the diagram. Yeah. Screenshot, diagram, share. Oh no, that's the wrong one. That's the wrong one. I want to share this one. This one. Okay, can you see 8?
Yes.
Okay, so they're asking for measure A, which is the exterior angle, which is this angle right here.
Mhm.
Okay, so what's this angle right here? The interior.
Interior.
That'll be 180 minus 38 minus 50, right? Which is what? 180 minus what? 88 is that? 88.
88. Yeah.
What's 180 minus 88? $92, is it?
Yes.
So this is 92, right? The interior angles give you 180. 38, 50, and 92 give you 180, right?
Mhm.
So now this angle has to be 180 minus 92.
Uh,
Which is 88 degrees. And measure of angle A equals 88 because 50 plus 38 equals 88. Yeah, J. Yep.
okay. Makes sense.
Good.
All right, that's all.
All right.
Yep.
If you need me, just tell your moms just to text me, and then we'll set up another meeting, maybe next week for your other meeting before your other test.
Yes, that'd be great.
All right. And it's Angel or Angel?
Angel or
Angel. Okay.
Autumn.
All right, Angel. All right, just yeah, let your moms know, and then I'll do the best I can to just give me a little bit more notice, though, right?
Yeah, I'm sorry. It was last minute.
Sometimes like
I'm
I
glad.
got I got like 8 other clients, that I got to juggle their schedule on my schedule too.
Okay.
All
Well,
right, good luck
thank you so
tomorrow.
much.
All
Thank
right.
you.
Oh, I'm gonna email you the YouTube link. I'm gonna upload this to YouTube, and if you want to watch the replay,
Mhm.
you can watch the replay.
Okay.
Cool.
Thank you.
All right. Peace.